Hello everyone, welcome to Dawa CIT. Today we are going to learn SQL from absolute zero. In this video, I will show you how to create a database, create a table and insert data step by step, just like a classroom. Okay, so let's first start create a database, create database and database name. I'm naming it student DB. Student DB. You can give any name but always use meaningful names. Okay, now select and execute. Okay, command completed successfully, that means this database is created. Okay, but here you can see master is by default selected, right? So now here I'm using a command, use command, because use command tell SQL that we are going to work inside the database. Okay, use student DB, select, execute. Okay, now you can see here command completed successfully and you can see here student DB, right? Database created, see, right? Database created. Now we are creating a table. Okay, create table and table name. I will give a table name student TBL. Okay, bracket open and bracket close, and inside this bracket give a column name. Okay, and data type. In this table I will take here three columns. Okay, student ID, int. Okay, int is a data type and int basically store numbers. Okay, student name, varchar 50 I will give. Okay, this is a data type and varchar is especially used to store text like letters, numbers as well as symbols. Okay, and as int. Okay, select all and execute. Say command completed successfully, table is created. Okay, let's check the table first. Okay, select star from table name. Okay, so my table is student TBL, right? Select. As you can see here, my all columns are empty. Now we insert the data into these columns. Okay, so the query is insert into student TBL ID, name and as. Okay, bracket close and values, bracket open and close, and here first we insert the student ID, 1 comma single quotation mark. Here we use a single quotation mark because this is a varchar. Okay, if you use varchar then use here single quotation mark. Okay, and inside this quotation mark we insert student name is Dawa, age 30. Okay, now select and execute. As you can see here, one row affected. That means this value is inserted into this table, student table. So let's check, execute. See, student ID 1, Dawa as 30, right? So this is a query of inserting one record. Now we are inserting multiple records at once. So this saves times and is very useful in real world applications. So how? I don't have much time, so I will copy this so it can be done quickly. Okay, so let's first copy, paste here, student ID, to name Rahul as 32, comma, bracket open and close, student ID 3, comma, single quotation mark, and inside this quotation mark give a name Mayank, age 35, comma, bracket open and close, student ID 4, comma, single quotation mark, and name Nishan, age 20. At the end of this bracket give here semicolon. Don't forget to give here semicolon. Okay, select all and execute. See, 3 rows affected, that means 3 row inserted into student table. Okay, now let's check, execute. See, Rahul, Mayank and Nishan, 3 rows inserted, right? I hope you understand how to create a database and table in SQL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next video, we will learn how to update and delete data in SQL.